right, man. Welcome to 2019 and welcome to my first Lolita vlog of the new year. And I look a hot mess. I have no makeup on. Actually, I never wear makeup in my vlogs, or very rarely. If I wear makeup, it's just like real brief. But I have no makeup on. I look a hot mess. But that's okay though. You wanna know why that's okay though? Because we just got my dress that I ordered last year as my congratulatory thing for doing a job well done with Aida. Which I would have purchased another dress, but unfortunately I got a ticket on my way home. Yeah, it was a dumb thing I did that I didn't realize was a thing. I got a 330, or not 300, I'd have been fucked up on that. I got a $133 ticket that I had to pay. Wasn't for speeding though. We all know I like to speed, but it wasn't for speeding. It was failure to move over for an emergency vehicle. I didn't realize I had to do that, so I got a ticket, but I was going to order something else. However, we got this, so we're going to order this. Quick complaint, which has nothing to do with this per se. It has to do with the fact that my post office, I've been looking for this dress all fucking day. All day. Because it was like around 1 o'clock, it was like out for delivery. And I was like, oh shit, where's my shit? I've been looking out the door. I've been looking here, there, and every fucking where. I'm like, where's my shit? Where's my shit? I'm on the phone with my mom a little bit ago. And I see something sticking out of my mailbox. And it's this. They fucking jammed my dress into my tiny ass little mailbox. Fuck you! 33647 post office in Tampa Palms. I know where y'all are. Y'all need to be knocking on the door handing me my shit. I know it's raining, you damn sugar cube, but you can get your ass out the thing and fucking hand me my shit. Motherfuckers, just disrespecting my shit. So let's get this, now that I'm done with that, let me get this unboxing underway. And that was the other thing, my dog is sitting up there barking every 2 minutes, like, and it wasn't nothing going on. And I'm like, bitch, you're supposed to bark when the mailman comes so I can be ready for it. She barking at like the street, literally the street. It wasn't anybody in the street except for that one time these people were on a bicycle before it started raining. But she's barking at the street, like the street was coming to get her or something. I'm like, dog, the fuck? So, alright, cut it open. Hold on, we might not have cut it open enough, but this is Unicorn Tears, a city. I think I called it a kingdom called heaven. It's actually called a city called heaven. This is the one piece. So I have approximately one piece that I made, one that I ordered, and 2 that I own. I have this red one, which I think I talked about 1,000 years ago, that when I washed it, it bled, and now the ones pink, well, I mean the ones white sleeves are now pink, so I don't really wear that often. And then I have Sufluffle's song, Black Requiem, which I was just listening to Requiem, Mozart's Requiem, but that's neither here nor there. And then I have one piece that I made. So this is my 4th one piece. I'm gonna try. I set like a lofty fucking Lolita goal for me, and I know I shouldn't be setting any lofty fucking goals like that. I want to get at least 2 more one pieces this year and 3 more JSKs. I don't think that shit's gonna happen, but we'll see what 2019 brings. So enough of me yammering on, and let's open it. Throw that on the floor. Yeah, throw that on the floor. I can't believe they shoved this into my mailbox. I'm gonna be hot about that for a while. So, I don't know what this is yet. It comes with this. I think this is a bow that goes on it, but we gotta figure out where it goes on it. Ooh, Trey Spiffy. Haha. So, the lighting in my room is bad. The lighting that you're seeing here is actually a bit better. It's really soft. Kind of ish has that From China smell, but that's okay. You can see the pattern on it. It's kind of got religious iconography on it. Um, the sleeves, these sleeves though, God, this is lovely. Oh, this is really nice. I'm liking this. Really nicely made. Let me check the quality of this. The stitches seem really nice. It's got the stretchy in the back. It's supposed to go up to 110 bust, so that should work for me. I saw some strings somewhere. Oh, extra buttons for those when they pop off, because these are the waist ties. And sometimes you gotta, sometimes like the waist ties, the buttons aren't exactly stitched right. So, because I actually had to fix Black Requiem's buttons, but I didn't lose any. So, has like this right here for the underskirt, which this is, or not underskirt, but the underpinning, I guess I could call it. That looks really nicely well made. See, the stitches look really good. Not to look under your dress, baby. And it's got more little lace. The stitching on that looks fine. I have no complaints. Construction wise, I have no complaints. So, oh, that's pretty spiffy. The chest bow has these little dangly crystals on it. So, that's lovely. Alright, now here's your game. That's the front. Ow! And I got slapped in the face with the sleeve, but this is the back. So, let me go try this on and try to look a little better and apply myself. So, I will be back in a jiff. Hang on. Alright, y'all. So, I had to go in my kitchen so you could get like a semi-full view. Gotta back up. So, this is what it looks like. Sorry I'm so far. Front and back view. Alright. They have little hearts right here, or little heart cutouts there. Another little heart cutout there. These sleeves are so fly. I can't. I know that's an old word, but they fly. So don't pick on that old lady for her old lady lingo. This was the choker. Story about this. I was going to order this. I was totally going to order this, and I was like, eh. And I was going to order this with some tights because I want to try to get a whole look together, a whole cord, an actual cord together. And I was like, eh. It was $17 or $18. And I was like, well, I don't really have the money for that and tights right now. Because at the time when I was looking at that, it was like shortly after I bought this, and I didn't think to order them together because sometimes my brain don't work, and I didn't order them together, and I was like, oh well, I guess I don't really need the choker, so they sent it to me anyway. I'm so happy because now I have the choker to go with it. So, ow! Okay, so where I ordered this, if you are interested, I do not know if they have any more. I haven't looked. But I got this from LolitaWardrobe.com. I will post links to in the description. And this, I'm loving it. I can't wait till we have a meetup so I can debut this with this spiffy ass crown. We walk backwards again so you get the full look. Sorry I don't have any better setup, but this is the ice blue version of that. Oh, here. It still does have like ties and stuff in the back, but I don't think I need it. But yeah. So, oh, and it's got like the pearl detail right here in the bows. This is comfortable too. This is like, whoo. I'm loving this. Oh my god. Oh yes, this was a good ass buy. Oh my god. It's so fitting for a job well done at the end of Aida. So, especially with people suffocating to death. So, city called heaven. Yeah. So, it's got little angels and stuff on it. Show you the print again. See? A lot of religious iconography, but I can live with that. So, I am so happy with this dress. I will post links to everything. It is very well, like, made. It is so comfortable. Whew, this is one of the most comfortable outfits I have. So when you have no idea when it comes to Lolita in comfort, because you were just jammed under 900 underskirts, 5 pairs of bloomers, tights, just everything. And just to have this be like wearing half nothing at all is fucking wonderful. So that is all I have. I am so happy. Ooh, I'm happy with this dress. I'm not happy with my post office. I'll be seeing y'all at some point. But I am so happy. So, welcome to 2019. Let's hope I can do my Lolita stuff and keep it going. Alright, see you soon. Later.